Good morning. Welcome to Radio Express. News reading by Anakha Saju. Chinese Ambassador Sun Weidong's claim on Thursday about the location of the line of actual control at Bongongso and his refusal to clarify point to a scenario where the Indian Army will have to increase its permanent deployment on the disputed and tense border. A senior army officer said that preparations and activities will be based on the actions of the adversary. As long as they retain capability, we have to be prepared for it because intent can change. We will maintain troops on the LAC according to that assessment, the officer said. In the month following the launch of the online mode for applying for domicile certificates in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir under the new rules, over thrice as many people from Jammu have been granted the same as compared to Kashmir. While the majority of the 3.7 lakh odd granted domicile certificates are already permanent residents of the Union Territory, a significant portion have been given out to those who, despite living or serving in the state for years, were not considered residents of the state due to the provisions of Article 35A, which now stands repealed. At least one of the rebel MLAs in Rajasthan, loyal to former Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot, has said that if the Congress party issues a whip, he and the other MLAs will attend the upcoming assembly session that is set to be convened on August 14th. Gajendra Singh Shaktavat, MLA from Vallabhnagar in Udaipur and one of the 18 legislators in the Pilot camp, said that they are with Sachin Pilot and will abide by whatever decision he takes. They have never spoken about leaving the Congress party. Anthony Fauci, a top infectious disease expert in the United States, has said that he was cautiously optimistic that a vaccine for novel coronavirus would be a reality by the end of this year or as we go into 2021. But he also seemed to cast doubts over vaccines being developed in Russia and China, at least one of which is planned to be approved within the next 2 weeks. An expert committee on Friday recommended that Serum Institute of India be allowed to conduct late-stage human trials for the Oxford COVID-19 vaccine candidate in India after the Pune-headquartered firm revised its proposal. If the chief of India's apex drug regulatory body signs off on this, Serum will be able to kick off the trials here, putting it ahead in India's own race for COVID-19 vaccine. The Ministry of Defence has written to the Central Board of Film Certification, the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, and the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting to advise production houses to obtain a no objection certificate from the Ministry of Defence before the telecast of any film, documentary or web series on army theme in public domain. This has been done to curtail the incidents which distorts the image of defense forces and hurt the sentiments of defense personnel and veterans, an army source said. The Enforcement Directorate on Friday registered a money laundering case in connection with an FIR lodged by the father of actor Sushant Singh Rajput, alleging cheating, criminal conspiracy and abetment of suicide. The role of all those named in the police case will be investigated under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, said an Enforcement Directorate official. The financial transactions of the companies set up by Sushant will also be scrutinized. Sushant was found dead under mysterious circumstances at his Mumbai residence on June 14th. Subsequently, the Mumbai police started an inquiry into the death. The Jammu and Kashmir administration on Friday extended the detention of former Chief Minister and People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti by 3 months for the second time under the Public Safety Act, even as a section of officials in the administration said that they were not sure of the need to continue with her detention. She is the only political leader still detained under PSA. Her detention was scheduled to expire on August 5th. Thank you for being with us.
Radio Express.
To receive Radio Express English news and English programs in your WhatsApp, please send a WhatsApp message English programs to 90727 95547 and please subscribe to our YouTube channel Radio Express. Thank you.